Understanding upgrade fee, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in the English language, upgrade fee. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday situations, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and demystify this term together. An upgrade fee is a charge that you may have to pay to improve or enhance a service or product you are already using or buying. Think of it like this: if you have a basic version of something, and you want to get a version with more features or better quality, the extra amount you pay is the upgrade fee. 1. Mobile phones. When you want to switch from an older model to a newer one before your contract ends. 2. Software subscriptions, paying extra for advanced features in a software or app. 3. Airline tickets, upgrading from economy to business class on a flight. 4. Hotel bookings, paying more for a room with a better view or more amenities. I paid an upgrade fee to get the latest version of the software. The airline offered me a chance to upgrade my seat for a small upgrade fee. Is there an upgrade fee for switching to a higher tier membership? Upgrade fee is different from a regular fee or charge. It specifically relates to improving something you already have. It's a compound noun, combining upgrade, a better version, with fee, a payment. And that's all on upgrade fee. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your daily English. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. See you in the next video.